Good morning, guys. All right, so we do not have a new skill this week, but we are going to be reviewing the 3 skills that are going to be the most prevalent on our checklist this week. So here we go. Let's review. Say those sounds. Ch. U, consonant E says you. Ink. J. I. Z. Ang. I. Gl. A, consonant E says A. Sk. R. Th. Sk. I. Ink. Ung. E. Ch. Cl. S. I, consonant E says I. H. K. F. O. St. J. U. S. Full. D. E. Sp. S. Unk. E, consonant E says E. B. Sn. A. O. Ing. O, consonant E says O. Sh. Bull. O. Ong. Qu. Ah. O. A. J. Sm. E. Jump. S. Pull. A. Unk. J. I. Very good. All right, here we go. We're only going to practice 3 sounds today. These are the 3 sounds that you're going to need to know on our checklist, which is going to be Wednesday. Pay attention. Here we go. All right, 4 ways to make the A sound. 4 ways to make the A sound. What are they? A, consonant E. That's the first one we learned. A, consonant E. Second one we learned. A, that open syllable A. So sometimes A by itself says A. Then we learned our vowel teams for A. A-I and A-Y. Okay, so 4 ways. A, consonant E. A by itself. A-I, A-Y. Okay, next one. There are 5 ways to make this sound. I. Think about it. The first 2 ways to make the long vowel sound are going to be the same for every single vowel, okay? Every single vowel. Remember, I, consonant E, so it's going to be that magic E spelling pattern, your vowel plus magic E. So I, consonant E. The second one is always going to be your open vowel sound. Open vowel I by itself, okay? Then we learned Y makes the I sound. We learned I-E makes the I sound. And we learned I-G-H makes the I sound, okay? So, I, consonant E, I by itself, Y, I-E, I-G-H, okay? Our last one, the O sound. O. We know 4 ways to make this sound. What are the first 2? O, consonant E, O, and then we learned our 2 vowel teams, O-A and O-W, all right? So remember that. The first 2 ways to make those vowel sounds are going to be the same. If it's a long vowel sound, you can bet you're going to have a magic E, and you're going to have an open vowel sound. The rest of them are probably more than likely going to be vowel teams. Okay? Good job. Let's read some silly words. Here we go. Scr-a, scray. Ape, trape. Fro, fro. Sply. Remember, it's not sply because that Y is at the end of a one-syllable word with no other vowels. So it has to be the vowel. Sply. Pull, oat, ploat. Here we go. Let's practice our vowel sounds. Ready? Deb. E says eh. Good job. Skip. I says eh. Very good. Cap. A says ah. Very good. Log. O says ah. Very good. Rug. U says very good. All right, here we go. Let's get our review on. We learned about our welded sounds. Ink and unk. Ink, ank, unk, unk. Ing, ang, ong, ung. Okay? Those welded sounds. They're always going to make that ink or unk, ung sound. Okay? Gentle Cindy and Defender D. They are working together when it comes to those soft C and soft G, right? Soft C and soft G work when there is an E, I, or Y behind the letters C or G. And then if we hear a GE or we see a GE at the end, it has to have a D if the vowel needs to be short. The rest of the weeks we have worked on vowel teams. Vowel teams, those are those two vowels or sometimes extra letters that work together to make one long vowel sound. E and EA say E. AI and AY say A. IE, IGH, and Y say I. And then last week we learned OA and OW say O. Good job. All right, go ahead and grab your phonics journals, and I'll see you in video 2.